7.4, the percent equation. You can represent A is P percent of B using the equation A equals P percent times B. Of always means times, is always means equals. And then A is a part of the base, B is the base, and P is the percent. So using the percent equation to answer the question, we want to know what number is, that's your equals, you're solving for A, 16% of 75. So 16% times 75. So then we're going to go ahead and change 16% into a decimal by moving our decimal point over 2 places to the left. And then we're going to go ahead and do 0.16 times 75, and we get 12. So 12 is 16% of 75. Now we want to know what number is 89% of 110. So A equals 89% times 110. We're going to write 89% as a decimal, 0.89 times 110, and then we're going to go ahead and multiply 0.89 times 110, and we get 97.9. So finding a commission. A car salesperson earns a 6.5% commission on every car sold. The salesperson sells a car for $23,000. What is the commission? So we want to know what 6.5% of 23,000 is. So A equals 6.5% times 23,000. Then we're going to write our percent as a decimal by moving the decimal point over 2 places. So we get 0.065 times 23,000. So then we're going to go ahead and multiply that to find our answer. And we're going to get $1,495. Make sure you put your units on there that it is dollars, since it is an application. So now we're going to find a percent. We want to use the percent equation to find what percent of 48, so P percent times 48 is 45. So A equals P percent times B is our equation. So we're going to go ahead and divide both sides by 48 to solve for P percent. So then 45 divided by 48 is 0.9375. So then to change it into our percent, we're going to move our decimal point over 2 places to the right to get 93.75% equals P. You could also think of P percent means P over 100, so you can multiply both sides by 100 to find out what P is as a percent. So now we're going to find a base. So again, we're looking at A equals P percent times B. And we want to use the percent equation to find this answer. 27 is 7.5% of what number? So first thing we have to do is change our percent into a decimal. We're going to move our decimal point over 2 places. So 0.075 times B, and then we're going to divide both sides by 0.075 to find our answer. And we get our base is 360. So 7.5% of 360 is 27.